Okay, here's a chance to practice 6.4.1, the 45, 45, 90 triangles, which again we remember is x, x, and x root 2. X and x are the legs, and x root 2 is the hypotenuse. In this case, if AC is 10, determine the exact lengths of the legs. And in this case, remember, exact usually means including a square root and not giving a decimal approximation. All right, pause. All right, welcome back. Here we go. Hopefully you just filled this in. AC is 10, right? Determine the exact lengths of the legs. So we know, and I will encourage you to try to follow this with me because we'll use it in the next screencast as well. We know that these two sides are the same. In this case, we also know, because it's a 45, 45, 90 triangle, right, 45, 45, 90, 10 is what I would call the x root 2 side. Okay, and so you use algebra to solve that out. X root 2 is 10. That means x has to be 10 over root 2. Now that's the exact answer for the legs. Convention tells us that we should rationalize the denominator. And what that means is multiplying top and bottom of this answer by root 2. Because you'll remember that that means this is 10 root 2 on the top. Root 2 times root 2 on the bottom, right, is root 4. But that's really 2. And then simplifying this, 2 is now a factor of the top and bottom. So we can cross this out and make this a 5. So this is 5. Root 2 is the length of, and what we would say is the exact length of the two sides, the two legs of the 45, 45, 90 triangle.